Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Transit. You'll see there you've no screen, you've no buttons, you've nothing along here like you normally have for nav and so on. So the picture of the house up here in the top corner, if we click that goes back to the menu, brings the menu up, and you've got audio, phone, navigation and settings. If you go into phone, you see there my phone is already connected. I've deleted it off my phone here, but it's still in the system, and I want to delete that. So we go to settings, Bluetooth, and you've got Bluetooth, add Bluetooth devices and view devices. If you're having any trouble pairing a phone or playing music or anything, just make sure that is blue and clicked across there. Hang on, there you go. Now we need to view devices. You see my phone there, Barry's iPhone 11. Touch that, and then you've got three choices: connect phone and media, connect media, or delete. And we want to delete it. That's it gone.